obviously we do have LP providing. You can farm with seasonal tokens. Would you mind explaining to our investors how that works and where they can farm?
Absolutely, yeah. So what we have are two different farms at the moment. We have one farm on the Ethereum network and one farm on Polygon. And the farm on the Ethereum network has the most liquidity. The Polygon farm is new. They're actually getting equal amounts of income right now from basically from the stockpile of tokens that have been accumulated, distributed to the farmers. So because there are fewer farmers on Polygon, it's actually more profitable to farm on Polygon at the moment. But the way that it works is that the idea of farming is to incentivize people to provide liquidity to the Uniswap trading pools. And on Ethereum, which was all throughout 2022, we had the Ethereum farm running, and that was the only farm. We only started the Polygon farm basically at the beginning of 2023. But what people do in order to earn farm income is they first of all provide liquidity to Uniswap. They provide some amount of tokens and some amount of ETH to Uniswap that puts liquidity in and allows people to trade the tokens. And in order to incentivize people to do that, they get a fixed amount of tokens every day. And the tokens that they get every day is a certain proportion of the tokens that are mined by the miners. So then there are newly mined tokens, and 9% of the tokens that are mined by the miners are distributed to the farmers. Originally, that was 9% distributed entirely to the Ethereum farmers. Now that we have Polygon farm, it's split. We have 4.5% going to Ethereum farmers and 4.5% going towards Polygon farmers. So a farmer who's farming spring tokens, they get tokens of all four types. Every they get spring tokens, summer tokens, autumn tokens, and winter tokens, and those are distributed to farmers in proportion to the amount that they're farmed. And it doesn't matter which token you've actually deposited into the farm, you receive all four tokens of every type.
Perfect.
To learn more about seasonal tokens, check out this playlist.